Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Today we're continuing our Ecto-1 build. We have stage 101 here. And it looks like we do have the glass and the last piece of skirting for what we began last time with the rear windows. So let's get this out, let's see what we got, and go from there. Not much here in this particular piece. We've got the last piece of skirting, and we've got the rear window 1 and rear window 2, along with a mess of screws here. Now this seems to be a lot more screws than we would need to put these windows in. So I'm thinking we're gonna be putting this on the car. Fingers crossed. Okay, step 1 is fairly simple. We're just gonna put in that last piece of skirting. It's another sticker, just like the other ones. Let's just make sure it fits. It does. And we'll take the backing off and get this puppy on there. And there we go, last piece of skirting. And now we're gonna have to bring out the car. All right, for this next bit, a little free cam again. Here we have the rear windows, or the slots for them. And so the first thing we're gonna do is set these windows in there. Basically just leave them to sit for the moment. See if we can get this thing in here. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed and hold the camera because of the free cam thing, because there's just no room on this massive model. All right, and with that glass in, we're gonna put this frame on here, just like so. And if you look towards the bottom, there are 1, 2, 3 bases. And for those, we are gonna be using VP screws to hold it in place. Sorry, VM screws, not VP, VM screws to hold it in place. Okay, and that is what it'll look like at that stage. Now we gotta flip it over and get some screws on the inside. Okay, with this thing flopped over, there are actually gonna be 5 screws that go into here. There's one right here, one here, and one here. Those are all gonna be AP screws. And then we've got one here and one here, and those are gonna be VP screws. For this side, make sure you do the inner holes. You don't wanna screw it into something else. So let's go ahead and get all 5 of those screws in place. Okay, wow. Man, the location of this makes some of these screws really hard to get in. I do want to point out, I made a mistake. This is actually the lower one, not the inner one. So it's gonna be the lower screw for there. Other than that, everything's good, and we are looking pretty spectacular here. So, awesome. Sadly, that is the end of stage 101. But the good news is now the driver's and passenger side look the same. We are all caught up on both sides. So next up, we're gonna be doing something new. Can't wait to find out what that is. For now, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.